Welcome back. Villagers of Thivi marched to Mapsa police station demanding immediate arrest of Nilkant Halankar's brother Hanumant Halankar. Govekar family alleged that Hanumant Halankar had damaged their cow shed. The villagers handed over a memorandum to the police. However, Nilkant has refuted the allegations.
आनंद गोवेकरांचो गोठो आसलेलो थंय जवळ 100 वर्सांचो गोठो तो आनी निलकंठ हळणकर तेज्या भावान हनुमंत हळणकर हेणे हांकां एकदां सांगून धमकी दिल्लेली की आपूण तो गोठो मोडटलो म्हणून तेणे कशें कितें पेपर केले एक्चुअली जागा ती भाटकाराची भाटकारान हेंचो आजो पणजो जो पर्यंत आहा न्हू तो पर्यंत तेंचो गोठो आसा जवळ 100 वर्सां जाली आतां हनुमंत निलकंठ हेचो हळणकरचो भाव आहा न्हू हनुमंत हळणकर तेणे कशें कितें जागा घेतली विकती घेतली हांकां कितें पेपरां कांय दाखोवंक ना म्हण ते फाटल्या दिसांनी येवन धमकी दिसलो एखादो की आपूण तुजो गोठो मोडटलो आतां ही बारीक मनशां न्हू कितें करतली
आम्ही नसताना एकटीच माझी देराचे चेडू असले ते काम घेऊन मध्ये उभे रावले ते भटाची बायल आणि बोट गोठो मोडलो माझो गोठ्याक माझ्या आता या 100 वर्सां झाली आणि यांच्यान माझे धुडे ओढून काढून रस्त्यावर मांडली ते सगळं उडेली कोयते कुराडी सगळे घेऊन येयले ते आणि मागीर रोतून कोणाक फोन केलो पुलिसांक त्यांना येयले त्यांना पळाले मिशिनां सगळी गाडयांनी भरून ते जाणा निलकंठ हळणकरान धाडले तांकां कितेंच तेंच्यांनी दवरूंक ना सगळी फूट केल्या तेंच्यांनी
आमकां ह्या गरीब लोकांक तेंच्यांनी न्याय दिवचो जे कोणी बाउन्सर हाडून तांचे कितें गोठो कितें मोडलेलो आसा तांचे ह्या लोकांचे नुकसाण भरपाई सकट तांकां आयच्या आयज ताबडतोब अरेस्ट करून खंय तरी तांकां योग्य ती शिक्षा मेळपाक जाय
सकाळी पयलीं म्हटल्यार तेंचे घरा कडेन कोण नासले जेन्ना तेजे पुतणयेक घट धरली तेन्ना तांकां लोकांकूच थंयसल्यान कांय खबर नासली बाबा कित्याक मोडटा ते जेन्ना तेजे पुतणयेक कळ्ळें ती बाबड्या होयो मारीत येयले तेन्ना ते लेडीज बाउन्सर 3 जाण आहली तेंच्यांनी येते दांडे सेक्युरिटी तेजे गळ्याक लायले आनी नायफ लायल्लो धाकटलो आनी ताका सांगलेलो बोबो मारशेले मारतलो म्हणून आनी गांवांतल्या लोकांक कांय खबर ना गांवांतले लोक जाणा कितें गोठो साफ करता म्हणून निलकंठ हळणकराच्या भावान ही गुंडा धाडलेले म्हणून सांगले तेणी.
When we contacted Nilkant Halankar, he refused to comment on camera. He said, "I am not involved in this case. I have no clue about the incident." Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Tottenham Hotspur Foundation coaches have praised the attitude of local football coaches who took part in a development program in Goa and Gujarat. The coach development program was organized by Special Olympics Bharat in partnership with London-based Tottenham Hotspur Foundation. The second leg of the program will be held in West Bengal and Haryana later this year. Prudent caught up with the Spurs trio before they left for London.
Here with us Gareth Jones, Dan Slaughter and Steve Ambleton. They were here for the coach development program which Tottenham Hotspur Foundation in association with Special Olympics Bharat have conducted here in Goa and in Gujarat.
It was great for us to work with such a wide range of people, share our experiences and allow them to share their experiences. And we had so much fun. You know, the guys had a lot of fun. We was learning through playing. The coaches were great with their actual application to, and they're willing to learn new things as well.
They really embrace the idea of self-reflection and looking at themselves as a coach and a practitioner and how they may change their way of delivering to enable the athlete to get better experience from Special Olympics. In Gujarat it was very similar, so they again had a great attitude towards their own development.
There was a lot of things to take in over the 3 days that we were taking these sessions, and they was really receptive, and we could actually see a vast improvement on not only their abilities to coach and to take a session, feel more confident about it, but also in their personal development as in players. Technically they improved, and that was really refreshing. The other thing that's really impressed me is just the way, the structure of Special Olympics through Victor and Mr. Chowdhury. They've really organised a great structure so that from the top down to the grassroots level it's really working together.
The coaches were working with a group of special athletes footballers How do you rate their progress, and what do you feel they can go, at what level they can go?
The athletes were very, very hard working. They came over to the venue in Goa and worked for the majority of the day. They took part in around maybe six or seven different sessions, and that's hard for anyone to do. It's very, very hard. We had lots of breaks, but their level of commitment was fantastic, and I think the coaches learned a lot from that as well. They learned sort of how far you can go with an athlete in a short space of time.
You all go back to London now and come back in September when the coach development program will be run in West Bengal and Haryana. So what would be your way of approaching the second leg?
In the first couple of weeks when we return to London, it will be a process of producing a report, some feedback and some analysis of the 3 days in Goa and then the 3 days in Gujarat. And then off the back of that report, we'll review the resource, make the necessary changes.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.